See that little stuff right here? That's what take you over the edge right here. That could be the difference between best of show and winning your class right there.
Like the headlights too.
That's a simple kit.
Fog lights too.
Yeah.
That's a what now?
A simple kit.
Oh, you seen it?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Somebody put a lot of detail in this too, man. Got purple around the gauges. I actually like it. It's starting to peel now, but I actually like it. Yeah,